AndersCubes here, and today we have the Swift block. Yes, this is it. Can't believe we actually got it. So yeah, this will be a review and kind of unboxing. So the first thing I know is really cool color. This thing is so tiny compared to a Rubik's Cube. This is like just a tad bigger. Like this is so tiny compared to an actual box. It's very tiny. So yeah, that's the first thing. So let's get right into it. Start the Swifty exploration. Come on. And this is made by GAN. It's called the Swift block. 5S something 3. Okay. Wow. Tiny cube. This might be good for OH actually. Alright. Ooh. This cube is very, you know that feeling when you put in lube or lubricant and it kind of makes it slower and it's not as effortless? That's this, but without lube. So it sounds like GAN tried making a cube that was budget friendly and bad. Anyways, let's look at the magnets. So as you can see, these are the magnets. Doesn't look adjustable, and it's got them on both sides, so that's kind of cool. This cube out of the box is very tight and very dry. The magnet feeling is medium. I would say it's semi-fast, and the magnets kind of slow it down a little bit. But let's get right into the center. Okay, so it kind of goes in pretty deep. Alright, so as you can see, you can move these with your finger. It has springs, so it's not maglev. But you can twist this. And yeah, let's see if we... It doesn't come with instructions. I think the point is to just, I'm not sure how to undo the tensioning system, but yeah. So I can turn pretty fast on this cube. It has amazing corner cutting. I mean, look at this. Alright, I can corner cut from everywhere. If you want good corner cutting for a cheap cube, this is amazing. I would recommend the RS3 and Super still over this. It just feels way more flagship, and this just feels like GAN needed to get a cube out for 2023. That's honestly how it feels. But yeah. Now let me show you some things that I've done. So after a little sneeze and my cube getting ready, I did 12 solves to see how I like this cube. One thing I noticed was it locked up pretty easily, and for a $13 cube, I get it, but it's GAN. Also, I think that for $13, you can get such a good cube like the Super RS3M. Why not just get that one instead of this one? GAN, it feels less cheap plasticky for some reason, even though it's cheaper, but it doesn't really feel like GAN to me. So if you're looking for a new cube with new style, this is definitely it. So yeah. The final average was this. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe so I can beat Cuber Caden in subscribers to 1,000. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you like these videos. Peace.